Voicemail might not be the newest technology around today, but it's still an essential part of communication in 2021. Of course, making sure your voicemail greeting is professional is a must, especially if you're constantly getting calls from potential clients or business partners. Visual voicemail allows you to manage your voicemail on your phone without having to dial into your cell provider's outdated system, and it also allows you to customize your voicemail greeting directly from your iPhone's settings menu. Here's how it's done. Although Apple's phone app has a built-in visual voicemail service, many cell carriers also offer additional visual voicemail apps for an extra fee each month. If you use that system, you'll need to make sure you look up your specific carrier's options for changing your voicemail greeting. To check if your carrier supports Apple's visual voicemail, just visit the link in the description below to learn more. To change your visual voicemail greeting on iOS, just open the phone app from your home screen, then tap on the voicemail tab. Select Greeting in the top left corner to open your voicemail greeting settings. To change your greeting from default, just tap on Custom and record a message. If you've set a custom message previously, just tap on Record to start recording your new message to replace your old one. To play it back, just tap on Play. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Done icon and your voicemail will be set. If you want, you can try calling your voicemail from another device to see how your new greeting will sound to an incoming caller. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering iOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.